What's involved in a numerology session, you ask? Let me break it down for you. Number one, we'll get to know each other because, screen to screen is one thing, but live is totally another. And I'll ask you some questions. Hopefully you'll feel open and you'll share what your life has been like and what's important to you in your work and your relationships and your health. And then we'll do a deep dive into your numerology, totally customized for your date of birth, what the significant numbers are in your date of birth, how to work with them, what to be aware of, how to really maximize what you've created for yourself, and also how to use Kundalini Yoga as a medicine for wherever it is that you want to go next, whatever challenge lies ahead, whatever opportunities you want to explore. We'll use Kundalini Yoga exactly for that. So that'll be about an hour, and we'll have lots of fun and laugh along the way. No bad numbers, so nothing to lose. Link in bio if you need more info.